Hey guys, it's me, Civil Defense Southerner, and today I am Wednesday, October 9th, and it's about 10:30 and the winds is picking up as Hurricane Milton has just arrived. As you can see in my previous clip, we got our power back after a 2-hour outage, and I'm getting wet. It's windy as heck outside. It is windy. It's windy. Windy as heck. Yep, it's windy as heck outside. Yeah, and earlier I was in the kitchen building a Lego set, and I can hear the howling winds, and you can hear it. It's pretty intense for sure. But yeah, I even got a flashlight on me. But yeah, it's crazy outside. Better get inside.